Okay, welcome to the HostHelper tutorial. This is a quick walkthrough of the HostHelper app and how to use it during a normal shift. The main idea behind this app is to give hosts a really fast, visual way to manage table status, layouts, and notes all in one place and synchronized among many devices. So let's start with the main feature, table status. So each table on the screen represents a real table on the floor, and you can change its status just by clicking on it. Here we have green for open, red means it's seated, blue means it's reserved, and yellow means it needs bust. So during service, all you need to do is click the tables to change their status, and that's it. No menus, no extra steps. Now the tables you see here are already set up, but if you ever need to add, remove, or rearrange tables, you can do that by using this button right here. It currently says locked, which means the layout is locked in place, and this is intentional. It prevents tables from being accidentally moved around while you're just clicking the table statuses during a busy shift. But if you click this button, it'll unlock the layout, and now you're in basically edit mode. So first, if you want to add a table, just hit this button here. Add, say we'll have 701 for the table number. Let's say it's a 20-seater, and it'll populate right on the screen, and then you can just drag it to wherever you want it. If you want to edit the table, let's say we messed up, it's not 20-seater, it's a 200-seater. It'll resize to that, however big you put the seat count, it'll resize to a bigger, so probably not a 200-seater. Let's say it's actually a 4-seater, and now it looks like that. And then finally you can rotate it, and if you don't want it anymore, you can hit this trash can icon to delete that table. And then once you're done making changes, make sure you hit the lock button again so that it'll show locked. And now you can go back to just changing the statuses. And everything is locked into place. The last major feature is the notes mode. This is useful for writing down reservations, service sections, special instructions, anything you'd normally scribble on paper. So to enter that, you hit this button. It'll show notes mode is on. And then you could start writing notes, maybe creating different sections. You can write the server names. It'll be a lot easier on mobile, especially if you have a stylus, to just write names and whatever you need. That looks terrible. And then if you don't want any of those notes, or some of them, you can just click to erase them once you've hit the erase mode. And then once you're done with those notes, you can hit sync notes, and that's what will send it to all the other devices. So before you hit sync notes, it's not going to save any of that if you exit the notes mode or if you refresh the page or go on a different device. So you have to hit sync notes to make sure it syncs to all the other devices. So let's get rid of these. We'll sync that so it's not on the screen anymore. And that's basically it. So it's designed to be simple, fast, and hard to mess up, especially during busy shifts. Thanks, and feel free to reach out if anything needs to be adjusted or improved.